when you have an x equals equation, the y is with the k inside the parentheses, and the h is outside the parentheses. So you're used to picking the guy inside the parentheses as h, and the guy outside is k, but it's the opposite. So I always write my equation below it so that I don't get confused. Can somebody tell me what a is? -1. H?
4.
+4. K?
3.
Ah!
-5.
Yes, anything inside a parenthesis, the sign changes because of that minus sign. All right? So now we just go down the line. If you get A, H, and K wrong, guess what's going to be wrong?
Everything wrong.
Everything's going to be wrong, okay? So vertex is still the same, HK. So it's 4, -3. Focus, we're going to write down the formula. Focus is H plus 1 over 4A, comma K. So H is 4 plus 1 over 4 times -1, comma K is -3. So that's going to be 4 minus 1/4, which is 3.75, comma -3. Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
So is the focus always within 0.25?
No. No. So we found A, H, and K. The vertex is HK, so it's 4, -3. The focus, we put it in the formula and watch our fraction and use our calculators, and we get 3.75, comma -3. The axis of symmetry is y equals K, so it's y equals -3. The directrix is x equals 4.25. When we put it in this formula right here, we get a -1/4, which is +1/4 plus the 4. And the latus rectum is the absolute value of 1 over A. So the absolute value of 1 over -1 is 1. And we get all the parts of the parabola.
Oh, man.
So your parabola can face up or down or left or right. And when it does, the directrix is always, I call the directrix kind of like a hover line where the parabola kind of floats on top of it, or below it if it's facing down, or to the right of it if it's facing right, or to the left of it if it's facing left. The focus is always inside the parabola, and it's the same distance from the vertex as the directrix is. And the axis of symmetry is the line that cuts the parabola in half.